Hello guys, in this video let us solve another interesting problem, that is diagonal difference. So the sum name is what? Diagonal difference, the problem name is. So let us see the question. What is the problem? Given a square matrix, they given us a square matrix, calculate the absolute difference between the sum of its diagonals. So what are the diagonals, sir? 1, 5, 9. These are diagonal elements, and there is another diagonal 3, 5, 9. These are another diagonal elements. What they are asking, calculate the absolute difference between sum of its diagonals. So if we calculate the sum of one diagonal elements, 1 plus 5 plus 9, then what we got? 15. So let's say it will be the left to right diagonal. So its sum is 15. Now you can check another diagonal, that is right to left diagonal, 3 plus 5 plus 9. So what is the right to left diagonal sum? So it was 17. So what they asked us? They asked us absolute difference between the sum. So 15 is one diagonal sum and 17 is one diagonal sum. So to find the absolute difference, we can use mod operation. In Python, we use ABS, absolute. To find the absolute value, we can use ABS. So here, first value is what? 15 minus second value is what? 17. If we do so, we got 2 as our result. So this is the thing which we need to perform and find out. So in the given code, they have already created a file pointer for us to write the output, and they read the input strip input, and even they provided us the array, even they provided us the array for the function. So what is our task? We just need to, the function is expected to return an integer. So we just need to return an integer, that is, let us say, answer that I want to return, that is the thing that I want to return. Okay, so function accepts 2D array, that is array. So how to get the answer, sir? How to get the answer? First, we need left to left to we need left to right diagonal, left to right diagonal sum, and so we need, so let us see, left to right, you can say LTR. So left to right sum, we can say it is 0 currently. So that's what, and right to left sum also I need to find, right? Right to left sum, let me write it in simple way, that is RTL. So right to left and left to right as LTR. So how do you find, sir? How do you find? So to find it, let us analyze and check how to find this. So to analyze this, let us check how to find this. So now let me write the things here. So what are the given array elements and what are the indexes that I can put for it? So let's say my array is, or else my 2 by 2 array is, my 2D matrix is in the form of 3 by 3 order. Let's say 3 by 3 order. In that case, in that case, 0, 1, 2 are my rows, and my columns are 0, 1, 2 are my columns. So let's say elements will be like this: 6 and 7, 8, 9. So these are the only elements that I have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. These are the elements, and 0 is the 0, 1, 2, 3 are indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3 are indexes. These top down indexes are for rows, and these are the indexes for columns. So let us find left to right diagonal elements. So let us find left to right diagonal elements. What are the left to right diagonal elements? 1, 5, and 9. These are the left to right diagonal elements. Let us write them. So 1, 5, and 9. So now let us see. Let us find these elements by using indexes. So how do I find 1? So 1 is present at 0th row and 0th column. So 1 is present at 0th row, 0th column. I just written like that. So now let us see where 5 is present. Where 5 is present. 5 is present at first row, first column. First row, first column. So first row, first column. So I have written the same thing. Now you can tell me where my 9 is present. Where my 9 is present. At which row and which column. Second row, second column, my 9 is present. So at which row, which column my 9 is present? Second row, second column. So now you can tell me what I am doing here. From where to where I am iterating. I'm iterating from 0 till 2. I'm moving from 0 till 2. 0 till 2. So let us visualize it in generalized way. What is the length of rows and what is the length of columns? So length of rows and columns are 3. So let us write that also. So length of matrix, you can say it is 3. So let us visualize it based on length of matrix. 0 to, can I write 2 as 3 minus 1? Yeah. So from where to where I'm moving? 0 till, I'm moving till length of my matrix. So how do we generate, sir? How do we generate these elements? So to generate these elements, we can use for loop. We are repeatedly generating elements, right? So for index in range of, from where I'm starting? 0. So we don't even need to provide start. So then it obviously pick 0 as the start. And where we are stopping? We are stopping at length of matrix minus 1. So length of matrix minus 1. Then we need to provide the stopping index, that is length of my matrix. So it will stop, it will go up to length of matrix and stops at length of matrix minus 1. So what we are doing? Left to right. So left to right, sum I want to increase by whatever the value which is present in my list, or else you can say array, whatever the element present in the arrays I throw, and this particular indexed row and this particular indexed column. So that's it. In this way we can find left to right array, left to right diagonal sum. So let us write this code on our online platform as well. So how do I get left to right diagonal sum, sir? So I'm just iterating over indexes in range of starting till length of my matrix. So length of my matrix. So where do you define the length of matrix, sir? So length of matrix is nothing but length of my array will provide me the length of matrix. Let's say rows and columns are equal. If they are different, then we can change the code. So length of matrix. So let us see what I'm doing. I'm just finding the left to right sum, incrementing by whatever the array element which is present at this index of row and this at this index of column. That's it. We will get the left to right sum, left to right diagonal sum. So now let us analyze how to get right to left diagonal sum. In this, what are the right to left diagonal elements? So what are the right to left diagonal elements? Let us see what are the right to left diagonal elements. You can see 3 is the starting right to left diagonal element. So I just returned that here. So 3 is one right to left diagonal element. And what is the next one? That is 5. That is another right to left diagonal element. And now what is the next? That is 7, which is another right to left diagonal element. So now let us find their positions as well. So let us find their positions as well. So what is the row? 0th row. And what is the column? Second column. So let us write that as well. So 0th row, second column. So 0th row, second column. So let us see where 5 is present with respect to indexes. So where 5 is present? 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1. So now analyze where 7 is present. Where 7 is present. In which row? It is at second row and which column? 0th column. Second row, 0th column. My 7 is present. So let us observe how do we get these indexes. So let us observe how do we get these indexes. So you can see how the row elements will be, how the row values will be. First, I need to pick 0th row value. Second, I need to pick first row value. Third, I need to pick second row value. So 0 till where I am going, 0 till where I am going, 0 till 2 or else 3 minus 1. 0 till 3 minus 1, I am going and picking my row value. So what do you say about column values, sir? So column values, how I am picking, sir? I'm just picking from column values from 2 till 2 till you can see 2, then 1, then 0. So 2 till 1. That is nothing but you can say 3 minus 1 till 1. So let us write this in generalized way, sir. So let us tell it in generalized way. You can say length of my matrix as my length of my given array, then it will provide me the length of how many rows are there. So let's say my matrix is a square matrix. So how many rows are there? That many columns are there. So what it will provide me? It will provide me 3 in the length of matrix. So in place of 3, can I write length of matrix? Yeah. So length of matrix I can able to write. So how to generate, sir? Length of matrix. So how to generate, sir? How to generate these? So to generate these, you can observe in this way. That is length. Let us generate first rows. So to generate rows for each row, in range of, or else you can say index, for index in range of my length of matrix will provide me 0 to 2, 0 to 0 to 2 values of rows. So row will be generated, sir. So row will be generated. That is what index is, nothing but the row. So now you can tell me how to find the column, sir. How to find the column. So to find the column, so let us analyze this with the length of the matrix. You can say, can I write this 2 as 3 minus 1 minus 0? Yeah. 3 minus 1 minus 0. Can I write this? Yeah. So how can I write 1, sir? So how can I write 1? I'm just concentrating on columns only, right? So 3 minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1 will give me 1. Is it? Yeah. So now how do I get 0, sir? 3 minus 1 minus 2. So how it look like to me, sir? So 3 minus 1 is same for all the things. 3 minus 1 is same for all the things. But whatever that exactly subtracted is, I'm just subtracting first time with 0, second time with 1, third time with 2. That is nothing but row value, right? So first time row value is 0, second time row value is 1, third time row value is 2. So I'm just subtracting it with row value. So let us write it in generalized way, sir. So 3 is nothing but length of my matrix minus 1 minus. So what is the variable thing? That is 0. What is that? That is nothing but my row value. That is nothing but my row value. In this way, we can find the column value. So in this way, we can find the variable column value. So let us write that in, let us write that for our column. And so what we are finding, right to left diagonal sum. So right to left RTL sum. I'm just incrementing by whatever the array element which was present at that row and at that column. So in this way we can find the right to left diagonal elements sum. So let us just copy this code. So let us just copy this code and paste it in wherever the platform, HackerRank platform that we are using there. So now I'm just pasting the code here. So just provide the indentation levels so that it will work. Yeah, I'm just provided the indentation levels. So now let us, what is the answer, sir? What is the answer? Answer is nothing but the absolute difference between. What is my answer? Answer is nothing but absolute difference between. Abs is a function which is used in Python, which is used to calculate the absolute value of given number, whatever the number it may be. For that number, absolute value is find out. So absolute value of right to left sum, absolute value of difference between the both diagonal values, right? So we have right to left diagonal sum and left to right diagonal sum. So just find out the absolute value for this and just returning the absolute value as our answer. So let us run and check whether it is working, or else we need to modify anything. So you can see my 0th test case was passed. So let us submit and check whether it is working for all internal cases or not. So it is working for all the internal test cases. So I hope this video is understandable to you and you learned in this video. What you learned in this video? You learned how to find the sum of diagonal elements and how to visualize a matrix and how to solve a problem by using the matrix. So I hope this video is understandable to you. If you think this video is useful to you and if you like to suggest this video, please comment on this video so that it will reach to more audience. So thanks for watching. I'll must provide this link in description section, and in comment section I'll also provide the code as well. So please try it so that you can able to solve during exams or else in real time wherever you required. So I hope this video is understanding to you, and so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.